as we were waiting for the stock, it's now coming up. It still needs some time, I guess. So let's see.
Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, today is 23rd of June and the time is almost 9:08 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. So going to the pre-open market page, here you can see the market is opening at 15,862.80, almost close to a new high. So 0.57% up, advanced stocks of 48, 0 stocks in declines, and only two unchanged stocks. So now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Hero MotoCorp with 1.79% up and ONGC with 1.19% up. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section. So here you can see there's no gap down section, there's only Sun Pharma and Titan with no unchanged movement. So yes, so this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade, what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in stock market trading, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, there is so much of advantages and benefits what you can get from angel broking. Okay, so there is a bit of an offer going on. Okay, so you guys can open the angel broking account by clicking the link in the description below of this video. So you get a free trading account. Okay, so when you use my link in the description below of the video and open an account with angel broking, you get absolute free trading account, and there is lot of benefits what you get. The first thing is the brokerage is very less. Okay, and as you know, angel broking is a full-time broker with a lot of facilities what you get. Okay, and there's only rupees 20 per trade taken. And also you get one more good advantage, that is you get margins for your delivery trades. Yes, so whatever capital you have, you get up to 4 times for margin trading. That is, for the holding trades you get up to 4 times margin. And once you open your account in angel broking by using the link in the description below of this video, you will be added to my private telegram channel where I share stock news and market facts and lot of interesting things. Okay, so if you guys want to be a part of my private telegram channel, you can open the link and sign up for an angel broking account, or if you have an angel broking account, you can use the upstock account link which I've given. So you can open any of this both account, and once you open an account, message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen with the details, and I'll be adding you to my private telegram channel. So make sure you get these benefits. So guys, right now I'm planning to buy this stock now, M&M. Okay, around market levels in intraday. So yes, we have bought it around 778 now. So let's see if the stock can go up from now. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see, we have bought the M&M stock now, and I'm just planning to exit near 0.5% target or anything above that. Okay, so right now the market is, as you can see, the market was a gap up, almost half a percent. It was a gap up, and now the market has came down. You can see at the top left, it's almost like 0.20% up now, and also it has went down a bit also, and it started recovering now. So that's why I just plan to quickly buy this stock, that is M&M, and we'll see. I'm hoping that this stock should come up in some time. Okay, and the market, if I want to tell about the market, again it's a gap up market today. Again, there are chances that the market can come down today also. Like yesterday it was a gap up, and again the market came down, and again it closed in the upper section yesterday in the ending time. But today also the same thing, again it's a gap up. It might come down in some time. So that's why I'm planning to make a quick
target and exit quickly. Okay, not taking much of a risk here. So that's the reason why I'm planning for 0.5% target in the last couple of days. So as I'm telling you, the market is in a very peak level now. It's at the highest, and not only with the market, even a lot of stocks are also in a peak level. So that's the reason why we should not take risk of getting more percentage of target here. So that's the reason why I'm waiting for a stock to come down in a correct support level and just buy from there and then book the profit. Okay, so yes, as you guys can see, the stock is at 779 now, so it's almost close to 780. So I should take my exit quickly around as I said, you're around 784 somewhere, maybe, if the stock is going up. So yeah, M&M, this stock is having a good buy values now. Okay, you can see in the market depth almost the buyers and sellers are almost same. So we'll see. We'll wait for the stock to come up. So I think it can. Yes, so almost reaching 780 now. So almost crossing the 780 level. So once it crosses 780 levels, then I think the resistance somewhere will be around 788 or somewhere around there, according to the chart. But anyway, I'm not going to keep that big target. So I shall exit somewhere near 784 or somewhere. Okay, so we'll wait. Okay, so it might take some of a time, and you can see at the top left side again the market has been now recovering. It's almost 0.30% up now. So guys, as you guys saw, it touched 784 and I took my exit now. So this was the profit what I was able to book today. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this, you can join us now. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.